So ride with me down to the beach. We're going to meet an electrician to change out a breaker or have a breaker added. There's a double tap breaker, which is a code issue, and a very easy fix. So we're going to swap that out. The seller actually called me, she's in town, and said, you don't need to bother to come down. And I probably don't need to bother to come down, but it's part of customer service. And I know that a lot of people, including this seller, may not understand that it really is the real estate agent's job to help you get these repairs done after the home inspection. So she may well have been very able to make some phone calls and line some people up. However, a real estate agent, hopefully that's been in the business for a while, has created quite a database of people who, number one, are qualified to make repairs, but number two, that are not charging an arm and a leg, because sometimes it's tourist season. And number three, the vendors that I work with, for example, I know that even if I gave them a combination lockbox code to get in by themselves, or they met this woman by herself, that her handbag could be on the table and be safe. You know, I have very trustworthy vendors, the ones that make me feel good that they do great work, they charge a value for the consumer, and I know that they will leave the place as clean as they found it, sometimes even cleaner. And that's part of a real estate agent's job. So if you do list your home, that's something you should expect from your real estate agent. That's it. See you down at the beach. Maybe I'll take a little video over down there.